welcome back to my channel. Today is a unbox with me and I'm so excited. So first of all, let me chill a little bit, let me calm down. First, I want to thank all my returning subscribers, giving you a thumbs up. Thank you for the love and support, and welcome to all my new subscribers. And if you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. And now I can get excited again. I know y'all probably say, Lord, what she got? It probably ain't nothing. But not to you, but for me, it is. And I'm so excited. I had ordered one from QVC, but I got a better deal on a different website, and I got more of a bundle than I did with the one with QVC. So, without any further ado, let's get to unboxing my items. And y'all, let me tell you something. I waited all day, and I kept checking my tracking number to see where it was, and when they told me where the location was last night, I knew it was coming today. So all day at work, I have a Ring doorbell, and every time it would go off, I'm looking. Oh man, it's not there. And finally, about 6 o'clock, they came. Well, it might have been a little bit after 6. I told them, I said, I've been waiting on y'all all day long. So, I'm not going to show you the box. Actually, it's 2 boxes. This is 1 box. And I'm not going to show you the other box until I take it out. I'm not going to let you see what it is. But what I can do is show you this part of the box, or this part, so you can see what the box look like. See, this is the top. So, got my blade. Yeah, my daughter, she's like, Mom, she said, Mom, you too crazy and silly and goofy. She said, act silly. I said, Khadijah, I ain't got to act silly with everything you do. Mom, you know we silly people. We like to act silly and have fun. I said, true. I'm so, oh gosh. Can you see the flap? So, let me sit my box down. I'm still here, y'all. I had to get it out the box finally. So, I'm going to introduce to y'all my new best friend, hopefully. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah, I can hear y'all in the background. She going on like that. Got us waiting under suspicious, just to show us a Cricut machine. Yes, just to show y'all a Cricut machine. So now that y'all know, I'm going to open up the other kit, and I'm going to show y'all everything I got in this package. You girl got to go to work now. I got to make things happen. I'm middle-aged now. I'm trying to prepare myself to retire in my 50s. I just asked God to let me retire at 50. I didn't say what age. I need to be 50 to 48, 59. And I want to retire. So, this is supposed to be a everything Cricut Air2 bundle pack. About it, but this is basically how they had it in the box. Which I have more stuff to show you. So, you actually have the, I call it the paper cutter. Well, they call it a portable trimmer, but it's like a paper cutter. So I guess they gave me the deep punt blade housing. Focus. They gave me the scoring stylus. And you see what that look like. They gave me the Premier fine punt blade. And if anybody priced this stuff is so expensive. So they gave me the basic tool set. What I'm calling it. Scissors, got tweezers, scissors, scraper, weeder, and spatula. They also gave me 2 sets of pens. And the black, they come in different sizes of the punts. You see punt 4, punt 8, 1, 2, and 2. Okay, they gave me 5 rows of vinyl. Okay. This right here is black, and it is the glare coming out. Window, it's the film that goes on your window. Well, all of it is. They gave me red. That's this right here. Say if I want, you know how you have the little decals, window decals and stuff. The first 2 rows is for that. Okay. This here is vinyl. This here is white, it's vinyl, but it's dry erase of vinyl. This is just the regular. And this here is the transfer tape. This here is poster board metallic paper. And these are some ideas on the back that you can do with it. This is some washi paper. And they got these different designs in it, which I'm cool with it. Faux leather, faux leather, and these are the colors that they got in here, and I'll turn it to the back and let you see. This is faux leather squares. It's the printable magnetic paper. This here is the printable iron-on. This here is also printable vinyl. This here is printable sticker paper, where I can make stickers. Here is my mats, and this, what you do is they sticky. They have a film on it and they sticky, and you lay your paper or your vinyl on this, and you insert it in the machine and it cuts. But they give you 3 mats. 3 mats, and one of them is light grip, standard grip, and strong grip. So, you guys, in the box with the machine, I got a little another light grip pad. This is the manual. And the power cord and USB cord. And then they gave me another marker. And I'm gonna stand up because it's heavy. This is the back of it. And this is the front. Ain't she beautiful? One of the blades here, this is a storage compartment, and this is one as well. And this is what the inside. All right, you guys, that is it. The video is long enough, so I'm going to stop right here, and I will try to include in the link or where I got this from. And the whole bundle was $279. And you go to any store, you can probably catch the machine on sale for $99. But most of the time it's like $199. And then these markers is like $14 to $15 for a pack. These tools is like $25. So to me, and the mats, all that separate stuff like that, to me is worth it. Just the material itself is expensive. So I think this is a good bundle kit for me. But anyway, start with the mama, the grandma, and the rama. You guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. So, bye. Love you.